My name's Ted Cobb. I'm the production manager here at Granite Industries. I've been here 20 years. The reason we started using ShopHawks, another supervisor and myself, both were experiencing some knee pain, knee injuries. The other supervisor had to have his knee replaced. Mine was just a chronic pain. It hurt to walk, it hurt to go from place to place. What I like about operating the ShopHawk is the maneuverability it has. It's got a fairly tight turning radius. You can get in and out of things quickly, walk on, walk off, and it's just ready to go. We currently have 4 ShopHawks in use right now here at Granite Industries. Just from a perspective of getting next door to shipping, or if I've got to go talk to the welding foreman, he's out back, I can get there a lot quicker. I can be a lot more efficient, and it allows me to get a lot more work done in an 8-hour day. I drive it in rain, snow, sun. It just goes. The speed of the ShopHawk is around 7 miles an hour, and we've got some ramps that go in and out of the building over here. It goes up and down the ramps without any problem. The ShopHawk compared to walking, I would say I can get there in about half the time it takes to walk. The fact that it's an electric drive, I can leave the cart running. I don't have to worry about leaving fumes in the area. The electric drive system has proven very reliable. I mean, I use this cart every day for the last 4 years. I take it wherever I go. The ShopHawk's use in a manufacturing environment, it comes with flat free tires. You don't have to worry about driving over something that's going to pop a tire. It's high-vis yellow. It can be seen easily. It comes equipped with a horn on it, so you can honk coming around a blind corner. And with the stand-up version, it's just so nice because I feel like I can see over the skid boxes and I can see more what's coming at me, and they can see me coming at them. Any manufacturing company or warehouse facility would benefit from the use of a ShopHawk just in efficiency, to make your day go smoother, to be able to get more done, to get from point A to point B quicker. The design and overall build of the ShopHawk, I mean, it's built heavy duty from the ground up. We don't make anything and make it cheap. We make it durable, we make it quality, we build it to last.